And the Bulgars, the first time I ever heard a Bulgar must have been off a Dave Tarras record. I got some Dave Tarras. A friend of mine made a tape, and I copied that tape. And I learned a bunch of things off that. So all of a sudden, I had a small inkling of what the Klezmer thing was. Then when I played with Dave, I was 19. I got to play with Dave because these Ralph and Harry hired him to do a job. Most of the things that he played were not his real European Freilich and Bulgar material. Most of it was the Yiddish theater stuff. But of course, Dave was Dave.
Can you describe what he was like?
Yes, he's a very proud man. I was a kid, 19 years old. He takes a look at me and says, I am teacher of clarinet. All the best players come to me. In other words, get down on the floor and lick my boots. And I would be playing like kind of harmony parts. I kind of laid back because I was afraid of this guy. But he would play, and, you know, these pearls would come out.